Hey everybody, this is Valerie with Bones Riders. We're escorting a funeral today, and there's Willie right there on his bike. And I'm just showing you who all showed up for it.
It don't make no difference. It don't make no difference.
My bike is not out here because I need to pick up a battery. I got out there this morning, and it wouldn't say anything, so I had to put a charge on. And then when it charged, I got out in the driveway and it cut off, man. So I jumped on the back with Willie, saying we ain't gonna let that stop us. We're gonna go and show our support. How's it going?
All right, Ron, how you doing?
Oh, I'm doing good.
All
Excuse
right.
me. And so we're here. Well, we're lining up actually. We're not actually at the place where we're gonna escort. What the bikers do is we all line up at a appointed place, and then we show up to escort the family, and we all go in there together. We ride in there together. That's a big force to let people see that we're there to support them. So right now we're just lining up, waiting on everybody to show up, and then about I say about 5 or 10 minutes before they gonna take off, and we get to the family and we pray there with them, and then we go on and escort them on out. This is Val with Bones Riders. I talk to all you beautiful people in the next video. Bye bye now.
Hey there.
Hey there, how you doing, man? Let me show off the Bones Riders bike and vest. So when y'all see us out there out and about, you'll know who it is. You can throw your hands up and say, "Hey, Bones Rider!" This is the president's bike right here. He's bare to the bone, better known as Bone, and that's the patch. And of course, you know me.